This viral form can help you to make lots of money with CPA marketing. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a CPA marketing viral script that can potentially make you lots of money. Now this will be CPAGrip tutorial for beginners and it is 100% free, so you don't have to invest any money. So with that being said, let's start. Now, like I said, this will be CPAGrip tutorial, but you can successfully apply the same method, the same viral script on any other CPA affiliate network. So first thing we need to do, we need to find CPA offer that we wish to promote. Now, like I said, for the purpose of this video, I am going to use CPAGrip. So first I am going to choose a country. So let's just say I wish to promote an offer from United States for US market, okay? And here I can find US offers. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this offer here. When I click here you can see get the best chocolates now. Now everybody likes chocolates, right? And here you can see I can earn $2.06 for every email submitted. So what I need to do, I need to copy this link and I need to paste that link in Notepad because I'm going to need this link later. Now next thing we need to do, we actually need to make this viral script and we need to apply that on our CPA affiliate offer. Now, for the purpose of this video, I am going to use system.io, but you can use any other email responder. So what I need to do, I need to click here on funnels and then I need to click here on create to create a new funnel. So first I need to give it a name. So let's just say, for example, for this example, I will name it CPA. And here I will choose build an audience. Currency doesn't really matter. You can leave it as it is. Click here on save and that's it. I created my funnel. So I now need to click here because I need to edit this funnel. Now first thing I need to do, I need to delete this thank you page because I don't need that. And second thing I need to do, I need to create two more pages, two more steps. So I will click here on add a step and I will give it a name. Let's just say, for example, step 1. Okay, step 1, and here I will choose a type. So let's just say, for example, squeeze page. Click here on save and that's it. I added another step and I need to add a second step or third in this case, and I will say step 2, okay? And again, type, I will choose a squeeze page. Click here on save and that's it. I added 3 steps. So what I need to do, I need to edit all 3 steps. So here now I need to choose a template. So let me just find the best template for me so I can actually edit that template. So let's just say, for example, I wish to use this template here. What I need to do, I need to click here on select and now I can edit this template. All I have to do is just click here on edit page and I can edit this template. Now I need to delete things that I don't need. So I don't need this thing here. So I will delete that and I will also delete this, okay? And I don't need these things here also, so I will delete all of these because, like I said, I don't need any of these things, okay? Just delete all of these things. This is all unnecessary for me. As you can see, there is lots of things that you need to delete. And I will delete this as well. And I'm actually getting an empty page. So what I need to do, I simply need to drag this text box here. And I can say something like this. Complete the following 3 steps to enter to get the best chocolates now. And now again I need to drag this text box here, okay? And let me just drag it again. And now I need to say something like this, okay? Step number 1, confirm that you wish to participate in giveaway by pressing the next step button. That is really important because they need to voluntarily participate in this viral script, okay? So next thing I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to drag these 2 columns, okay? And then I need to click here and I need to actually drag this text button here. And here I will say step number 1, okay? And I will actually enlarge this to be something like this, okay? And now I actually need to scroll here and I need to drag this button here, okay? And here I will click here and let me just scroll here, but it says click here. I will say next, okay? Next step, okay? Next step, okay? And subtext, I don't need subtext, so I will simply delete subtext. And I will also make this to be larger, something like this, okay? And this is my first step. And also what I need to do, I need to click here on this button. This is really, really important. And then I need to click here, actions Actions when button clicked. I need to click here and I need to click here on next step URL. Okay. And what I need to do, I need to click here on save changes and then click here on exit, and that's it. I edited my first page. Now I need to edit my second page. So just click here on step 1 in this case, and I need to choose a template. So let me just find the right template for me. So I will just choose any template. Let's just say, for example, I will choose, let's just say this template here. I will just click here on select and then click here on edit. And I will, again, I need to delete all of these things that I don't need. I will just delete all of this. Okay, just delete all of this. Okay, I deleted everything, and here again I have an empty page. So what I need to do, I need to drag this text box here, and I need to add my second step. And I need to say something like this, okay? I can say something like this, okay? Here you can see you are almost done. Step number 2, share this website on at least one of these following social media platforms. And I can actually make this to be, let's just say, a bit larger. And then what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to just find, and I can add, for example, Twitter button. So here you can see Twitter. You can also add Facebook button, Instagram button, TikTok button, and so on and so on. They don't have it, but you can find HTML codes and you can add that here. And what I need to do next is I actually need to scroll back here and I need to drag these 2 columns again, and here click again, and I will drag this text and I will say that this is step number 2. Step number 2, and I will make this to be a little bit larger, something like this, okay? And again, here I need to add a button, so let me just drag this button here, and here I will click here, and I also need to say here, where it says click here, I will say next step, okay? And where it says subtext here, I need to delete that, okay? And I need to make this to be a bit larger, something like this, okay? And what I need to do now is, again, same thing. Click here on this button where it says next step, and I need to click here actions when button clicked, and again, next step URL, okay? And just click here on save changes, and then click here on exit, and that's it. I edited this page as well. And now I need to edit third page and most important page. Just click here on this third page, step number 2 in this case, and again we need to choose a template. So let's just say, for example, I will choose this template here. Just click here on select, click here on edit, and now I need to edit this. I need to delete all of these things that I don't need. Same thing, just delete all of these things because you actually need an empty page. You wish empty page. So what I need to do, I again need to drag this text here, and here I can say something like this, okay? I can say something like this. Congratulations, this is the last step. And I can make this to be a bit larger, okay? Just click here on this text, and I will just click like this, and font size, something like this, okay? And now what I need to do, I again need to scroll here, and I need to add these 2 columns, okay? And here I will simply add a text, okay? And here I will say step number 3, okay? And I will make this to be a bit larger, something like this, okay? And then here I need to again add a button. So let me just drag this button here. And again, I need to click here, and where it says click here, I actually need to change that. And I can say something like this. Click here to enter. Okay, and now this is really, really important, so please pay close attention. I need to click here on this button, okay? And here where it says actions when button clicked, I need to click here, and then I need to say open URL. Now that is different compared to first 2 steps. Now I need to click here on open URL. And now I actually need to copy my CpaGrip affiliate link. Copy that, and here where it says URL, I need to paste that link, my CpaGrip affiliate link in this case. And what I need to do next, click here on save changes, click here on exit, and that's it. I created a viral form. People like to go through these steps because it creates a trust. For some reason, people trust these steps. They actually have more trust in this kind of stuff. So when I go, for example, here on first page, and when I go here on preview, you can see how this actually looks. So when I click here on next step, as you can see, it takes me to step number 2. Click here, and now I'm on step number 3. And when I click here, it will take me to my CPAGrip affiliate offer. So all you have to do now is just, you need to click here on first page, and you need to click here on preview, and you need to copy this link here, Ctrl C, and now you need to start promoting this viral script. You can promote it on related Facebook groups, on Pinterest, on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok, on related forums, on Tumblr, and so on and so on, and try to drive as much as you can free traffic to this viral script, and people will start going through these steps, and they will click here on final step, and some of those people will actually submit their emails in order to get that chocolate, and you will make $2.06 for every person who submit their email, and you will start making money with CPA marketing. As you can see, this really is a simple CPAGrip tutorial for beginners. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.